Look at this. That's over $600 sitting in my account right now. And the wild part? I made all of this using a self-clicking method that runs on autopilot. You don't need to sell anything. You don't need a website. Just a magic link that will turn clicks into real cash. This is real earning, not a screen. Let me refresh it to prove that. Yes, the same amount as before. Now, if I scroll down to my earning history, $2.7 credited, then 2.4, 2.7 again, the 2.4 again, and all of them have been paid to prove that if I scroll down to payment history, as you see here, $61 paid, then $72, $50, $60, and $408 has been paid. So in this video, I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how you can earn like this through self-clicking on this platform. Without wasting time, let's get started. The platform, which will pay you for every single click on their link, is OSLP System through their Magic Link. OLSP offers a Magic Link system. You just sign up, get a unique link, and the platform pays you for each click. It's a link-based payout model. To get the Magic Link, first click the link in the description below. Then you will be directed here where it says you'll make your first commission in 48 hours from now without showing your face on video. So this is not a storytelling. It's real working method. If you get your Magic Link today, your first commission will be credited the day after tomorrow. Below it, there is the video. You can watch it to get more details. What is Magic Link and how it works? Though in simple explanation, only you need to send someone to click on it, then you get paid. But I will show you how to click it on yourself without being detected. I decided to make this video about OLSP because honestly, it worked for me. And right now they're running a crazy limited time offer. Normally you'd have to pay $47 just to activate your Magic Link, but at this moment it's only $7. That's a one-time payment, no hidden fees. And once you're in, you get full access to a system that literally pays you every time someone clicks your link. So if you've been looking for a real way to start making money online without big startup costs, this is probably your best shot. It's simple, affordable, and you can start earning the same day you join. But remember, this offer won't last long. So get full access to the Magic Link. Click here to get instant access. Then on step 2, fill out your valid email address, and the last step, complete payment, and boom, you will get access to your Magic Link. Since I have purchased it, I will log into my OLSP account, and on my home page, I will scroll down to my product list and will find this product list building and Magic Link. I will click on Access Product, and my Magic Link is on the top right corner. So this is the link that I will be paid for every single click, and each click is equivalent to 0.3. That's why my earning was like 2.7 and 2.4. That means 7 and 6 clicks. And at the begging was making up to 100 click a day, which is equivalent to $30. Soon, the first week after getting your Magic Link, make 20 to 30 click a day, which will make you earn at least $150 to $200. Then from the redecrease to 10 to 15 clicks a day for the first 3 months. Then back to my plan, which is 5 to 10 clicks. This workflow is safe, tested, and approved. No banning in this system with these strategies. Now, once you've got your Magic Link, the next step is to start self-clicking to do so. You need these two software ads, Power Ant Detectable Browser and Node Maven Proxy. This software will make you stay anonymous for 100% without being detected. To do so, first click the second link in the description below. Then sign up for a free account on Ads Power. Then log in from there. You need to download the app according to your device. Then again, log into your downloaded app. After login at the left side, click on Proxy. Then Add Proxy. Now you need to add a strong proxy that will give you highly quality IP. I have tested several proxy providers after finding Node Maven Proxy. All of my self-clicking were working smoothly without being detected. Now to access Node Maven Proxy, click the first link in the description below. Then sign up for a free account using your Google account. Then log in. I have a 50% off promo code for you, which is TIPS100. So use it to get 1 BG data for less than $2. Now to get your proxy, go to Proxy Setup, then on Connection, type Choose Residential. On IP version, choose Mixed. On Proxy Generator, choose Output Format. On Location, choose United States, United Kingdom, or Canada. These are only countries which OLSP pays once you get clicks from. Ideally, Magic Link contain different digital products, and those countries have a high conversion rate, and that's why they pay only from those countries. Now on number, choose 20. Then scroll down on Session, choose Sticky, and on Proxy Access, choose HTTP, and from there you're done. Go and copy your proxy ready to use. Now let me test the quality of these proxy. Let me copy it and paste it to Proxy Checker, and as you see, the proxy quality is more than 90%. So Node Maven provide real IP like actual location. So now copy the proxy, then go to Adds Power, then make sure you choose HTTP, then paste your proxy and click on Save. Your proxy will be added automatically. Now go to Add Profile section to bulk create your profile. Then click on Quick Create. Then put number of profiles you need to create like 15, but in free version you can create only 5 profile. Then choose browser and operating system you like. Scroll down on Proxy, choose Save Proxy, and choose on Random. Other setting left as it is, and lastly click on OK. Your profile will be added ready for self-clicking. Now to start self-clicking, click on this box to select all profiles, then click on Open. Now your files will be opened, so click on First File, then Add New Tab, then paste your magic link, then go to the next file. Do the same until all files are done, then wait until the magic link is fully opened. Once done, close the tabs, then open a new tab, then paste your magic link to it for the rest of the files until the targeted number of clicks is archived. As you can see, it is quite simple. You can use a few minutes a day to earn a decent amount of money with small capital. Now, to maximize your earning and stay more safe, you need to have another software which will give you clicks for mobile phone, since Adds Power does not have strong protection from mobile devices. So here the power of cloud phones come into play. And today I have a software that gives a free trial under my link, and that software is MoreLogin. MoreLogin is a powerful anti-detect browser made for managing many accounts safely without getting linked or flagged. It uses both browser and cloud phones, but their cloud phone services are incredible and provide highly protection, which will make your clicks to be like they are from a real phone. To try more, log in, click the link in the description below and get a free trial. Sign up for a free account, log in, then download the app. Inside your app, you will find a Create Profile interface as usual, so you can either choose a browser or a cloud phone. And their cloud phones are like normal phones with an app market where you can download any app, including Google Chrome, TikTok, WhatsApp, and others. But for this earning, only Chrome will be used. So what you do is to click to open the Chrome app, open New Tab, paste your magic link, then search for it. Once fully opened, close the tab, open a new tab, then repeat the same process. On Proxy, use the same proxy and same process as on Adds Power. As I said from the first week, 30 clicks a day are safe, then tapering it slowly. On top of that, I have another self-clicking method which I talked about in previous video. This method will enable you to earn $3 per each email submitted under your Amazon affiliate link. It's quietly simple and will make a decent amount of money per day. To start earning by today, kindly watch the video showing up on the screen. For those who will try this method, please drop a comment on how much you will earn per day, and if anybody is stuck anywhere, don't hesitate to contact me. The contact link is on my bio. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.